Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to trade with Etoro. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of trading with Etoro. First, you need to create an account on the Etoro platform. To do this, simply go to the Etoro website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be required to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing some identification documents. After your account has been verified, you can deposit funds into your Etoro account. Etoro supports various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount is typically $50, but this may vary depending on your location and the payment method you use. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you can start exploring the Etoro platform. The platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate, with a variety of features and tools to help you make informed trading decisions. You can browse through the different asset classes, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, and view their current prices and market trends. To place a trade, simply click on the asset you want to buy or sell, and then select the amount you want to invest. You can also set a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses, and a take-profit order to lock in your profits. Etoro also offers a feature called copy trading, which allows you to automatically copy the trades of other successful traders on the platform. One of the key benefits of trading with Etoro is the ability to trade with leverage. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, which can potentially increase your profits. However, it also increases your risk, so it is essential to use leverage wisely and with caution. In addition to trading, Etoro also offers a variety of educational resources and tools to help you improve your trading skills. These include video tutorials, webinars, and a trading academy, where you can learn about different trading strategies and techniques. To get the most out of Etoro, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the markets and the assets you are trading. You should also have a clear trading plan and risk management strategy in place to help you make informed trading decisions and minimize your losses. In conclusion, trading with Etoro is a straightforward process that can be done by anyone with an internet connection and a computer or mobile device. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can create an account, deposit funds, and start trading with Etoro. Remember to always trade with caution and to never risk more than you can afford to lose. With practice and patience, you can become a successful trader on the Etoro platform.